Alright, y'all. I am here to vacuum my back porch. Let me turn on this light so at least y'all have a little bit of light to see this. I'm going to be using my Eureka TheBoss. There's a little Tom Tom, my sister's cat. She can't have a cat over there living with her boyfriend, but I told her I'd take care of him. He is pretty well insane. But y'all ain't here to see a cat video. Y'all are here to see a vacuum video. So I'm using my black EUREKA TheBoss, my 10 amp one, because I ain't running in a while. And I believe I have a friend sending me the little wire thing that goes up top, because I don't have that part on this one. I've been wanting to find it because, well, if it's a part that's missing, I want to get it replaced. But anyway, yeah, we're going to run this out here. So let's get started. Uh-oh. That didn't sound good. And there it is. But yeah, this is one of my favorite soft bag vacuums, like front bag. I've been wanting to get the Electrolux version, you know, the one from United Kingdom, because it's not called EUREKA TheBoss, it's called Electrolux TheBoss. I figure that would be. I'm figuring that would be pretty interesting to see. Like, I got the EUREKA TheBoss. Why not have the Electrolux TheBoss to go with it? Obviously, I'd need a transformer because it's from England, and in England they're like 220 to 240 volts. Here we have 110 or 120 volts. So, yeah, it wouldn't run. It's like 100 volts too low. But it'd be interesting nonetheless. Make up for my talking, I might as well move the leaky spot bot, and vacuum over here with my EUREKA TheBoss. Thomas, you are not going to like it over here right now, sir. I know you don't like the loudies. Of course, he just walks away, not run away. You crazy. You're a crazy cat, Thomas. You you just walk away. You don't run away like the girls. But yeah, anyway, it'd be interesting. I'm also after a singer that looks like this. Actually looks more like a Bissell. I don't know what model or type the Bissell is. It's a softback Bissell that also looks just like this. Only on the Bissell, the power switch is like down here, and the Singer has the power switch like right here where the power switch is on this boss. But yeah, I'm after those. The Singer is because my mom used one, and if you want to see a Singer just like it, Kevin Love on YouTube, he has two of the blue Singers just like what I'm talking about. Metal handle, foot switch, and all that. Only difference is the height adjuster is not a knob like this one. Bissell is the same way. But yeah, anyway, yeah, I wouldn't mind having a Singer like that, because my mom used one at my grandpa's house. So, and I played with it a little bit. I didn't use it, I played with it. So, as a child, yeah, it might as well be a childhood vacuum. Anyway, tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, and when I can do it. And if I can do it, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos like this one, as well as mess tests and all that ASMR mess tests and versus tests. So, until next time, bye.